What's going on, everybody? Just want to do a quick video on how to reset the oil life in your 2019
or newer Ram 1500.
Turn it to the on run position. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use these arrow keys. It says oil change required. Cycle through. So vehicle info. I'll bring you right there. And then you're gonna use the right arrow key, cycle over to oil life, and then you're gonna hold OK. And now it reads 100%. It won't give you the error message anymore. Hopefully this was helpful.
Make sure to check out more of my content coming soon. Also, please check out the links in my description for anything shown in this video. Also, if you found anything useful here, make sure to like and subscribe.